Look at that sucker. Eat my freaking bait. Now he's eating my string. Give me that. Give me that. Nope. He's keeping it. He likes chicken. Look at that freaking thing. Look at the head on that thing. He is a monster. Arr, I'm gonna eat your chicken. You won't freaking give it up. Arr. Taking it. Grab it. There you go. It's mine. Alright. We're gonna have to settle it this way. I'm not letting you have my bait again. Come here. He is one mean fighting machine. Arr, I'm gonna eat it. I pulled in all my bait. Waited a couple hours. Came back and he's back. Arr, it's mine. I don't know what's going on with him. It almost looks like it's stuck. Oh, he got it out. Oh, he's hissing at me. He's mean. Oh, that was stuck in his mouth. It's a good thing I didn't try and cut bait. Okay. Gonna go hit something else.